You're a parent, probably a father, who wants to see his children, and we've all seen families that need fathers, and Batman and Robin on the roof of the High Court. There's some desperately sad stories in this area, and we work passionately hard for you in these cases. We always work hard and do a good job, but in this particular field we really feel it. The biggest mistake people make is being surprised at the other parent's attitude and conduct. Don't be. This is war. Stop feeling sorry for yourself and fight for the children. Another mistake is thinking the judge is going to lock up the mother. Don't hold your breath. A far better tactic is to say for the father, I want a regime with a main base with me. She can't be trusted to give me contact or comply with the court orders, so switch the main base to me. That's the tactic. Have a plan worked out to convince the judge that you can look after the children. As a minimum, it will scare the shit out of her. An excellent plan is to keep a diary, a chronology of events, which we can send you free of charge. Later, a judge may say, how do I know this happened? You say, I put it on my computer the same day, and it worked. I've been divorced twice, I've got 5 children, I've had my own problems seeing them. I feel keenly what you could be feeling now. Over many years, I've seen parents almost give up. Don't ever, ever give up on your children. The law is clear. The children have the rights, not the parents, to see both parents. Note, parents, plural. Poison can be dripped in an ear. Little Johnny might be ill on a Friday night after you've driven a long way, but never, never give up. Put down on paper the contact you want. If you don't get it, apply to the court straight away. If you can't get through on the parent's landline, buy a mobile. Use Skype, text, emails. Make it a game. You'll meet somebody called a Kafkas officer, who's a social worker. They tend to be overweight, middle-aged, goody-two-shoe types who read The Guardian, have scrub pine kitchens and muesli for breakfast. They favour mummy. I make it humorous, but it's serious. They write down on a piece of paper what mummy and daddy thinks. The child writes that down. Mummy with the sun over her head, daddy going off to the pub. The social worker will jump on this as evidence that daddy isn't loved. There are ways round this sort of nonsense, and we can help you. Get yourself a court order with a proper long-term regime. We work for fixed fees, so you know where you are, not those terrifying hourly rates that solicitors use. You can handle much of the case yourself with our support without a barrister. My direct line is 020 7381 8111, or you can email me on the home page. The service is free and confidential. Above all, never, never, never give up on your children.